Are you a musician looking to make money with your music in 2023? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 great ideas to help you make money with your music this year. We'll cover everything from streaming services to live performances, so you can make the most of your music career. So, get ready to learn how to make money with music in 2023. Music streaming platforms. Music streaming platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music are great ways to make money with music in 2023. These platforms offer a variety of ways to monetize your music, including subscription fees, ad revenue, and royalties. You can also use these platforms to promote your music and build an audience. Additionally, many streaming platforms offer tools and resources to help you optimize your music for streaming and maximize your earnings. Live performances. Live performances are another great way to make money with music in 2023. Whether you're playing at a local venue or touring around the world, live shows can bring in a steady stream of income. You can also use live performances to promote your music and build a fan base. Additionally, you can use live performances to network with other musicians and industry professionals. Music licensing. Music licensing is a great way to make money with music in 2023. Music licensing involves selling the rights to use your music in films, television shows, commercials, and other media. You can also license your music to be used in video games, apps, and other digital products. Music licensing can be a great source of passive income, as you can continue to earn royalties from your music even after it has been licensed. Merchandise. Selling merchandise is another great way to make money with music in 2023. You can sell physical merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, and posters, as well as digital merchandise such as music downloads and streaming subscriptions. Additionally, you can use merchandise to promote your music and build a fan base. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a great way to make money with music in 2023. You can use crowdfunding platforms such as Kickstarter and Indiegogo to raise money for your music projects. You can offer rewards such as exclusive merchandise, early access to new music, and private concerts in exchange for donations. Additionally, you can use crowdfunding to promote your music and build an audience.